Hi, I'm Taylor. I'd like to tell you about the latest VT X300 Bluetooth headset in this video. Remember back in 2021 when we launched this noise-canceling Bluetooth headset, it could connect both to your smartphone and your laptop at the same time, making our work very convenient. Well, in the last 2 years, we've listened to user feedback and made some significant upgrades to this headset. Now, let's check it out. First up, the biggest upgrade is going from single microphone to dual microphone noise cancellation. We knew the single microphone has its limits and can't effectively process the external noise. However, this new dual microphone with advanced EMC technology and algorithm can cut out up to 35 decibels of noise. This makes it much easier to be heard no matter where you are, and it offers clearer calls and better voice communication. Stay tuned, be sure to watch until the very end of the video. We're going to show you how it works in a real test. Second, we changed the button style from touch button to physical buttons. This will make your headset operation a lot easier, more accurate, and reduce misclicks, offering a better experience. Despite all this improvement, the battery life has actually increased. You can now talk for up to 18 hours instead of just 10 hours, so no more frequent charging. We receive a lot of feedback suggesting making the fixed ear pads removable and replaceable. Done, we made it happen. By rotating the entire part of the ear cushions, they can be quickly and easily removed. What is more, the ear cushions now are softer and thicker, providing more comfort and durability for extended use. And we've also applied ergonomic design that adjusts internal structure to prevent pressure around your ears, ensuring a better fit for different wearing needs and long-term comfort. So after all this improvement, we're confident that this VT X300 Bluetooth headset will definitely make an awesome addition to your current product lineup. Now, let's go to the noise cancelling test in a real environment. Let's go! Hi there, I'm Taylor. I'm sitting in a Starbucks in Xiamen, China. I'm going to do a noise cancelling test for this latest VT X300 Bluetooth headset. As you can see behind me, there's a lot of people talking. Yes, in Starbucks, it always has a lot of people talking, and sometimes there's a very loud music playing surrounding us. So it's generally pretty distracting if you're making some phone calls. This kind of noise isn't what you want. No worries. We've got you covered, so we've got a way to help you with that. Right now I'm going to turn this microphone on. Wait a moment. Done. So right now the microphone is on. As you can hear now, my voice is coming through the noise cancelling microphone. Can you tell the difference? How do you feel about the noise cancelling effect? So can you guess that I'm sitting in a room with a lot of stuff, as you can see behind me? So comment down below to let me know what you think about it. Stay tuned for more video like this. I'm going to do more noise cancelling tests in the future. So see you next time. VT has always valued the opinions and feedback of our partner clients. We appreciate every single suggestion and feedback received for this product upgrade plan. Thank you very much. We hope to continue improving our headset to better meet market demands. Thanks for watching. If you would like to know more about the latest VT X300 Bluetooth headset or any other headsets, go to our website vbackglobal.com to check all the details and features there. See you next time.